In case you didn't buy yet a MetaQuest 3 or MetaQuest 3S, this is the right time to do it. In case you're wondering what's going on, well, Meta is going to increase the price of the MetaQuest 3S and the MetaQuest 3. So this is the current price until today. And from tomorrow, they're going to raise it. And in this link that I will put in the description of this video, you will find a table in which they explain the raise of the price by country. So if you are in the EU, this is the new price. I cannot select it here. And they try to justify this, mentioning that it's because of there is an impact on consumer electronics, memory chips, which are component of the hardware of the headset, and probably everything that is going on in US has an impact as well. So hurry up and secure your headset before it increases the price.